Today, Iran launched nearly 200 ballistic missiles towards targets in Israel. The United States military coordinated closely with the Israeli Defense Forces to help defend Israel against this attack. U.S. naval destroyers joined Israeli air defense units in firing interceptors to shoot down inbound missiles.
چند تا موشکه؟
حسام نگاه کن.
آرام 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 آرام.
وای فیروزه یا قمر بنی هاشم نگاه کن.
واو.
وای نگاه کن.
واو.
وای نگاه کنی.
دارم میگیرم آرام. رفتم پشت ابرا. رفتم پشت ابرا.
ای که خدا. علی نگاه کن.
واو.
یا ابرقدر یا امام زمان. یا خدا. یا الله.
بازم دارم میفرستن انگار.
علی نگاه کن روشن میشه. نگاه کن. یا صاحب زمان. نگاه کن. الله اکبر.
دارم میگیرم.
never been closer to World War III than we are today.
I speak a lot about the leaders of Iran. Yet at this pivotal moment, I want to address you, the people of Iran. I want to do so directly, without filters, without middlemen. Every day, you see a regime that subjugates you make fiery speeches about defending Lebanon, defending Gaza. Yet every day, that regime plunges our region deeper into darkness and deeper into war. Every day, their puppets are eliminated. Ask Muhammad Def. Ask Nasrallah. There is nowhere in the Middle East Israel cannot reach. There's nowhere we will not go to protect our people and protect our country. With every passing moment, the regime is bringing you, the noble Persian people, closer to the abyss. The vast majority of Iranians know their regime doesn't care a whit about them. If it did care, if it cared about you, it would stop wasting billions of dollars on futile wars across the Middle East. It would start improving your lives. Imagine if all the vast money the regime wasted on nuclear weapons and foreign wars were invested in your children's education, in improving your health care, in building your nation's infrastructure, water, sewage, all the other things that you need. Imagine that. But you know one simple thing. Iran's tyrants don't care about your future, but you do. When Iran is finally free, and that moment will come a lot sooner than people think, everything will be different.